We'll guide you through how to make spin transition on Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight motion and waiting for the app to load completely. After that, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to begin a new project. Next, set your project settings according to your needs. Once the settings are ready, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. After the project is created, press the plus button in the bottom right corner and import the footages that you want to use for the transition. Once both footages have been added to the timeline, adjust the position of both footages so they are arranged correctly for the transition. After the footage placement is ready, select the first image and go to Move and Transform. Inside the Move and Transform options, select Rotation to begin animating the spin effect. Turn on the rotation keyframe and set the first keyframe value to 0. This creates the starting position of the rotation. Then move forward a few frames on the timeline and create a second keyframe. Set the second keyframe value to -180 so the first image rotates during the transition. After the keyframes are created, open the graph editor on the left side of the screen. Adjust the graph based on the motion style that you like. Different graph shapes can make the rotation feel smoother, faster, or more dynamic depending on your preference. Once the first image animation is complete, move to the second image and repeat the same process in reverse. Select the second image and go to the rotation section. Turn on the rotation keyframe and set the first keyframe value to 180. This places the second image in its starting rotation position. Then move forward to the next keyframe position and set the second keyframe value to 0. This causes the second image to rotate into place as the first image rotates out. After setting both keyframes, open the graph editor for the second image and adjust the graph based on the motion style you need.